In this video, we are going to discuss if x is equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t, find dy by dx. So now, here two functions are given in the solution given that x is equal to a cos cube t. So here it is a function in terms of t in the right hand side. So now differentiating with respect to t on both sides. Now we get d by dt of x is equal to here a is constant with respect to t, so now d by dt of, so this is cos cube t. So now dx by dt is equal to, it can be written as a into d by dt of cos t whole cube. Now in the right hand side, which is in the form of d by dx of like x power n. Here what is x in cos t is x, n is 3. So now here n into the standard form is n into x power n minus 1. Same like that we can differentiate it. So dx by dt is equal to so a into, so here n is 3 into x is cos t, so cos t whole to the power of, so n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. Again we have to do the derivative of, so cos t with respect to t. So now we get, so dx by dt is equal to, so this is a into 3, that is 3a. Here cos t whole to the power of 3 minus 1, we can write cos square t into derivative of cos t. So we know that cos x derivative is minus sin x. Same like that, cos t derivative is minus sin t here. Finally we get dx by dt is equal to minus 3a into cos square t into sin t. So this is dx by dt. Now again the function y is also given here. So now y is equal to a sin cube t. Now this is also differentiating with respect to t on both sides. So now d by dt of y is equal to, a is constant with respect to t, so a into d by dt of, this is sin cube t. So now which is also can be written as dy by dt is equal to a into, so d by dt of, so this is sin t whole cube. So which is also same like this formula d by dx of x power n. So which is equal to a into, n is 3 here, x is sin t, so that's why here sin t whole to the power of n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 into again derivative of sin t. So now here, so dy by dt is equal to 3a into sin t whole to the power of 3 minus 1, that is sin square t, into derivative of sin t, so that is we know that cos t. See here, we know that the standard form here also I applied. So derivative of cos t, that means using the formula derivative of dy dx of cos x, which is equal to minus sin x, and similarly so derivative of sin x, we know the formula sin x is equal to cos x. Sin x is equal to cos x. So I applied here sin t is cos t. So finally what we get, dy by dt is equal to 3a into sin square t into cos t we get. See, actually what we have to find with the given functions, we have to find both are in terms of t functions. We have to find dy by dx. So therefore here this is 1 and this is condition 2. To get the dy by dx, here therefore 2 by 1. So dividing the condition 2, that is dy by dt, by condition 1, so with dy by dx, which implies, so dy by dt by dx by dt is equal to, see dy by dt what we have, 3a sin square t into cos t, 3a sin square t into cos t, whole divided by, so dx by dt is we have minus 3a cos square t into sin t, cos square t into sin t. So now here 3 gets cancelled and a also gets cancelled, and 1 sin t is also gets cancelled in the numerator and denominator, cos t is also gets cancelled in the numerator and denominator. Now here dt is also gets cancelled. Finally we get, so dy by dx is equal to, which is left over in the numerator, that is sin t by, in the denominator which is left over, minus cos t. So which is equal to, so sin t by minus cos t, we know that tan t. So therefore finally, so dy by dx is equal to minus tan t. So like this we can find with the given functions dy by dx.